when it came along and we looked at the benefits, you know, it was a no-brainer really.
Very simple. What gets to this level, then there's a payment made.
We got told that we're going to be a 2-week turnaround. It happened in 2 days.
It's just gone so smoothly and I haven't had to think about it at all.
FloodFlash is an insurance technology company that combines Internet of Things, catastrophe modelling, and cloud computing to provide flood insurance for those that the market has left behind. We provide parametric insurance with a simple trigger, flood depth. When flooding reaches a pre-agreed depth, then we pay the client. There are 2 versions of the cover. FloodFlash, which is available to the mass market via all the top retail brokers such as Marsh, Gallagher, Aon and Towergate. And FloodFlash Plus, our service for larger and more complex risk that is arranged through the London market. Right now, our cover is available to businesses and landlords across Britain. Later this year, we are launching FloodFlash in the United States, with launches in Germany, Australia and Japan also planned for the near future. Parametric insurance is perhaps insurance in its purest form. If this, then that. If an event happens, the policy pays out. In that sense, it is far simpler and more transparent than indemnity-based covers. One of the issues raised with other parametric policies is the basis risk that comes with them. That's the idea that a claim won't match the cost of damage. Our cover minimises the basis risk by placing a sensor right at the insured property, and that way the trigger, the depth of flooding, correlates with the client's losses more tightly than using satellite data or other alternatives. Lloyds Lab was an awesome platform for our business. It gives us and new and growing insurance technology companies 3 invaluable gifts. Access to the biggest insurance market in the world, development support from market leaders who have navigated some of the same hurdles in the past, and Lloyds' stamp of credibility amongst our peers and the brokers that distribute our product to their clients. For some people, parametric is the future of insurance. Take our clients across Britain that can't get access to flood insurance anywhere else. For them, FloodFlash is the only lifeline available. And not only that, it's providing a better claims experience, saving more livelihoods, and helping more people recover from catastrophe. It doesn't discriminate. We insure businesses of all sizes, from single property landlords to football stadiums and power plants. But simply, whenever the traditional market balks at a risk like natural catastrophe, there is a place for parametric covers. And as the market grows more comfortable with it, parametric insurance is growing in influence around the globe.
Companies such as FloodFlash are making the payment of claims for catastrophic losses quicker and more efficient, and removing unnecessary stress for policyholders through parametric insurance. We are also seeing how satellite technology, such as that developed by McKinsey Intelligence Services, helps insurers understand the situation on the ground before, or in some cases instead of, inspection in person. For example, when wildfires make inspections impossible, the technology gathers information remotely, showing the areas most deeply affected, helping Lloyds underwriters understand the true scale of the disaster, and in some cases, pay claims before the fires are even under control. Lloyds is also making the payment of smaller claims much simpler and faster. Our faster claims payment solution, which will be launched market-wide later this year, will provide fast and direct payment of a claim to the customer in local currencies. It provides delegated claims administrators with direct access to insurer funds and removes the need for repeated and time-consuming cash calls to top up loss funds. The product leverages the Vitesse payment platform and is supported by a re-engineered claims process, enabling greater control and transparency in accounting entries. These exciting developments are transforming how claims are managed and are guiding us towards a future at Lloyds where we've built solutions that will digitalize our market. It will be better, faster, and cheaper for all participants and our customers, with claims paid in minutes and seconds instead of days and weeks.
The first big benefit of parametric insurance happens at the underwriting stage. One of the hardest parts of writing traditional flood cover is trying to establish not just the probability of the flood, but the potential cost. In other words, working out how much damage a flood might cause. This is different for 2 neighbouring properties, or even the same property on 2 different days. Think, for example, about a warehouse that has a varying level of stock, or a car showroom with different values on the forecourt day to day. Parametric insurance removes that key piece of uncertainty. The result is that quotes are more affordable and cover is available. The second benefit of parametric insurance is the speed at which it pays out. Traditional insurance claims can take months, if not years, to pay in full. We've paid parametric flood claims in full on the same day as the flooding. We paid clients in under 10 hours during Storm Christoph in 2021. We then beat that record, paying a client in under 6 hours just days ago when Storm Franklin hit the UK. The benefits are huge. Lower claims values, reduced business interruption, faster recoveries from catastrophe, and happier clients, to name just a few.